Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So this unit was sent to me from MyFirstWigs.com, one of my favorite companies. So this is the Capricorn Zodiac wig, and of course I'm a Capricorn. 12/27 was my 30th birthday. So this unit is so nice, guys. Like I said, it's part of their Zodiac collection. It has a nice parted front bang. As obviously you guys can see the wig cap, it does come with its own adjustable strap in here, which is perfect. The wig does look like it came with bleach knots and everything, so it's a perfect, nice, light, yaki style unit, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly pop her on my head and show you guys what she looks like. So I did go ahead and pin the bang up because I think I'm gonna actually wear this kind of like half up, half down style. I think that would look super cute. I did go ahead and separate out like the side hairs right here. The wig so far looks like it's probably gonna fit my head pretty nicely. I do have like a little baby head or a medium small head, I guess you can call it. The bangs are a little bit on the long side, but I'm gonna just go ahead and trim them up. But I did actually like it like this too. That actually looks pretty cute. So this is a finished look of this unit right here. So this unit was sent to me from MyFirstWigs.com. So this unit right here, guys, is part of their Zodiac collection. So obviously this unit right here, guys, is the Capricorn unit. I'm absolutely in love with this unit, guys, so far. So this unit, guys, all the specs I'll leave down below for you guys. This unit is about 20 inches long. It is a nice front bang style unit, guys. They did a really good job on it. One thing you can actually see that they kind of split this up so perfectly to give you just a good amount of hair to make the bangs. At one point I thought it was a little bit too much hair to make it too thick, but then once I kind of played around with it, I did snip it a little bit and play with the bangs. I realized that the bangs are perfect, guys. I like the fact that you can still go ahead and hair this unit down and get a nice pull up for like a bun or a ponytail style. I do like this hair down, but I do wish that the density was a little bit thicker. It gave me a little bit more density. It would have been more density to just look way better down, but for some reason I'm rocking like little messy bun tops or like little ponytails and stuff like that, and I just feel like that looks really cute with this bang. Like the bang is giving me such 90s vibes right now. I did have to go ahead and switch it and put some lip gloss on just because I'm heavy on the 90s vibes. Everything about it, I was able to do the sideburns and everything on the sides just to give you that all around kind of cute girl look. So this unit, guys, all in all, I really think it's a nice unit. It did come with an adjustable strap, so it's very secure on my head. My boyfriend did help me glue down the perimeter in the back, so I will turn around and show you guys the back. That's the reason why I'm going to wear it in ponytails and buns, because there is a good amount of lace in the back where you can go ahead and adhere it down really well. Now obviously it's the Zodiac collection, so go ahead and look at their selection. They have a whole bunch of styles. They have like a fiery red color ombre for Aries and stuff like that, so it's really, really cool. They also sent me this really cute zodiac necklace that I'm going to rock, obviously, Capricorn sign, and obviously Capricorns are from December 22nd to January 19th, so our season is wrapping up. But I thought that this was such a nice little gift to come in the box, and it also came with some other cool zodiac inspired pieces as well too. So I'll leave the information down below, guys, for this unit. I really think as a winter unit as well, the bangs just look absolutely gorgeous. Another thing that's going to look absolutely gorgeous on this one is when I go ahead and dye this unit a burgundy red color. It's going to be slamming. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from MyFirstWigs.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.